Good morning all of you. Please mention whether the audio video is clear. Let me just check. Welcome all. Am I audible? Hello. So welcome to this paper analysis lecture where we are discussing mathematical science paper of September 2022. Every subject paper analysis video is available in this channel. Today, 2 more live sessions will be there for physical science at 11 o'clock and 6 o'clock chemical science. So these sessions are useful for all science stream students as a practice lecture to practice more general aptitude questions. So you can invite all your friends. There was a technical issue, that is why there was a delay in the start of the class. So please inform all people, let more people join this session. Please mention the audio video is clear now. For the new people, this is the bio of me and these are the details of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group by which you can get daily questions, free materials and other resources. In the description of this video also, the other resources I provide you can see. Okay, and this lecture is conducted today and yesterday also. Few subjects I have taken. Why I am taking it today? Because day before yesterday the answer key got released and many students have doubts about many of the questions and many of the answer key also there was doubts. That is why I am discussing these questions. So please mention which all questions you had doubt on so that I will take first. Those doubtful question I will take first. And one more thing, there is a full-length GATE course running in my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, 50 lectures, free GATE course is running daily at 11 a.m. Today 11 o'clock class won't be there because the paper analysis for physical science will be conducted at 11 a.m. But normally daily at 11 a.m. this class is running. So live or recorded you can watch it. And for your CSIR preparation also this course will be very useful. Because the first 40 lectures are non-verbal ability topics. Non-verbal ability of GATE and CSIR is more or less the same. Last 10 lectures are verbal ability. Verbal ability CSIR में नहीं है, वो GATE exam के लिए ही useful होगा. Question code actually please don't post because question code I don't have right in front of me. If you have the idea of which question it is, please mention that so that we can discuss that. And this is the book I have written for general aptitude, those of you want to purchase. Okay, first we'll start with this question. Other questions, when you have doubt, post it in the chat and I will take up. So I will give you 30 seconds to read the question and post your answers, or 1 minute maximum to read the question and post your answer. Then I will start my explanation. All of you, 1 minute maximum, not more than that. Take 1 minute and answer this question. और ये लेक्चर में मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज यूज करना ट्राई करेगा. ए बी मेरिट ये क्वेश्चन है ना. ओके, दैट रैंकिंग प्रॉब्लम गजेंद्र. ओके, आई विल कम टू दैट. Okay, this is comparatively an easy question, finding the X chapter problem. So I'll show you how to solve this. In a test with multiple choice question, candidates get 4 marks for a correct answer and lose 1 mark for an incorrect answer. 2 candidates A and B attempting 18 and 13 questions respectively secure equal marks. This is most important. They are securing equal marks. How many more incorrect answers does A have compared to B? So A का incorrect answers का number X और B का incorrect answers का number Y है, तो X minus Y is what is asked. X minus Y, difference between incorrect answers for A and B. मतलब मैं tabulate किया तो incorrect answers, correct answers and total A and B. A ने incorrect answer X, B ने incorrect answer Y किया, that is what we are assuming. So correct answer will be 18 because total is 18 questions A is attempting and 13 questions B is attempting. So 18 minus X correct answer, 13 minus Y correct answers for Y. So as total marks secured is equal, so we can say हर correct answer के लिए 4 mark मिलेगा. So 4 into 18 minus X plus हर wrong answer के लिए minus 1 mark मिलेगा. So minus 1 into X equal to, that is A's total mark got. Similarly, B's total mark will be 4 into 13 minus Y. 13 minus Y correct answers. So हर correct answer के लिए 4 marks. So 4 into 13 minus Y. Y incorrect answer. So Y incorrect answer के लिए minus Y mark. Minus 1 into Y. ये दोनों इक्वल होगा ना. दिस इज अ मार्क, टोटल मार्क ऑब्टेन बाय ए, टोटल मार्क ऑब्टेन बाय बी. ये दोनों इक्वल है. सो इसका इक्वेट किया तो x माइनस वाई मिलेगा. दैट इज अ थिंग. सो वेरी फास्ट आई विल इक्वेट 72 माइनस 5x इक्वल टू 2652 माइनस 5y. 5 into x minus y is equal to 20 you will get when you take 5 to x and y terms to one side and 5 taken outside and 72 52 constant to the other side. So x minus y is equal to 20 minus 5, 4. So 4 is the answer. All of you clear about this? How 4 is the answer? Please respond. If that is clear, this is the second question. Very fast, try it. Geometry problem, simple question only. All of you try. Okay, so I'll explain. Consider right angle triangle BAC with median CM and BL having the same length. So BM and CL having the same length. As it is a median, BM equal to AM, CL equal to AL also. So then this is very simple. Similarity of triangles you can use. There are different ways you can do this question. Trigonometrically also you can do it. But similarity triangle, if it is clear, that is the easy way. One of the easy way. Question is asking, ये ML और BC का ratio or BC by ML. BC by ML is what you need to find. BC and ML are actually hypotenuse of the right triangles BAC and MAL ना. और ये दो triangles है ना. Triangle BAC is similar to triangle MAL. Why it is similar? दो angles same है. ये 90 है, common angle है. और sides you can check it. ये 1 है, ये 2 है. ये 1 है, ये 2 है. So definitely they are equal. So they are similar. Similar है तो corresponding sides का ratio proportional होना चाहिए ना. मतलब MA by BA, AL by AC and BC by ML तीनों equal होना चाहिए. Sorry, ML by BC तीनों equal होना चाहिए. मतलब BC by ML should be equal to ratio of AM by AB. That is a, sorry, BC is on the top now. So AB by AM. AB by AM is clearly 2 by 1 ना. Why? This is 1 means इसका double है ये, क्योंकि ये median है ना. For example, if I take this 1 unit, ये भी 1 unit है, so total 2 units हो गया. Similarly, ये 1 unit है, ये 1 unit है, total 2 unit है. Taking examples, or you take x, 1x, 2x. Likewise also you can take. Anyway, 2 by 1 will be the ratio. So 2 is the answer. Super easy now. All of you respond please. Okay, now the questions that you are telling which is doubtful, that I will take up. Some of you mentioned, I think this question, na? Okay, this question, this question, what is the answer key given? Can you please mention? All of you make a try. If you haven't tried, there may be some students who haven't attempted this exam, but for practice you are attending this class. So please mention what is the answer. Please mention after trying what you are getting. And in CSIR answer key, I think the key is giving option A, right? Option A, I think. Let's discuss. Let's discuss. All of you try. Okay, Maya, I will come to that. I will come to all your doubts. Don't worry. Each of your doubts I will be clarifying here. I understand that there is doubts in answer key for many people because my Telegram channel and my Telegram ID was flooded with comments from students that how this answer key is correct in the official key. So we will discuss all that. So all of you please make a try. Hello. And those people who want to be part of my free course for GATE, you can enroll with the link that is given in the chat, or you can copy that playlist so that you can refer later also. Okay, so B option you people are getting, right? Okay, I will explain. Yeah, there is some things that you should be careful about here. We will discuss. A ranks 10 from both the top and bottom in merit. Okay. What is the official answer key mentioned? Anyone remember? What was the official answer key mentioned for this question? You people got option B. Now let's see which is correct. A ranks 10 from both the top and bottom in merit among the girls in the class. So first we will analyze the girls in the class, the ranks of them. A is one girl, वो 10th from top है, मतलब उसके पहले 9 girls होना चाहिए ना, 9 girls होना चाहिए. Are you all agreeing? मतलब उसका rank 10 है, मतलब rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, rank 6, rank 7, rank 8, rank 9, rank 10, sorry, rank 9. That much girls are before her among the girls. Similarly, she is 10th from bottom also. 10th from bottom means उसके बाद 9 girls होना चाहिए ना. Rank 10 के बाद rank 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That means how many girls are there in the class? 9 and the girl A. Don't count 10th rank 2 times. That is wrong. 9, 10th rank from top and bottom means that is a single person only. So the girls in the class is 19 girls. Did you all understood? 19 girls are there in the class. All of you respond. All of you respond. 19 girls क्यों है? Is it clear or not? Please mention. Now, speaking of boys in the class, B ranks. B is a boy who ranks 6th from the top. 6th from the top. मतलब उसके पहले 5 boys है. 5 boys है. Rank 1, boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5. Who is higher rank than B. And he is the 16th from the bottom. मतलब उसके बाद 15 people होना चाहिए ना. उसके बाद 15 boys होना चाहिए. So total boys का number कितना होगा? 5 plus 15, 20 and the boy B. That is 21 boys. All of you respond. ये 21 boys भी clear है. So total class में कितना people है? Total class में कितना people होना चाहिए? If boys and girls are only there, 19 girls and 21 boys. So 19 plus 21, total 40 people will be there in the class. The strength of the class is 40. Is that clear or not? Strength of the class Q40 hai. All of you. Strength of the class will be 40. Now let's read what is the question saying. If A is immediately ahead of B in merit order. In merit order, A is immediately ahead of B means rank of A is 1 higher than B. 1 higher than B, na? Rank of A is 1 higher than B means xth position is A means x plus 1th position will be B. That means A already have 9 girls before her. A already have 9 girls before her. So if I fix A, 9 girls are already before her in ranking. उसके बाद A के नेक्स्ट पर्सन B होना चाहिए ना, मतलब A और B के बीच में और कोई नहीं आ सकता. A और B के बीच में there will not be any other person who is having a rank in between. For example, A का rank 9th है तो 10th rank B होना चाहिए. I am telling an example. That means ये 9 girls भी A और B के पहले है, ये 5 boys भी A और B के पहले है ना. Are you all understanding that? I am explaining it as much detail as possible so that there is no lack of clarity, and in case you want to challenge the answer key with the explanation I am giving, from that you can take points and give the explanation. So anyway, 9 girls or 5 boys hai, so total 14 boys already, 14 people already there. That means rank of A will be 15th rank na? Are you all agreeing? Rank of A will be 15th from the top, because there are 14 people before. So 15th from the top should be correct, but I think, yeah, this please confirm, I forgot. Is option A the answer key given by CSIR? If so, I think you can challenge. From my primary analysis, option A won't be the answer. You can also, again, I think this as a discussion session, you can also point, if you think that option A is correct, mention in the chat how option A is correct, so that we can end up at a decision to challenge the question, challenge the key or not. Key mein A hai, okay Gajendra. But A to be the answer, in my opinion, if there is no other twist in the questions, I don't think there is any other twist or turn in the question. So 16 from the top hone ka chance, I don't think there is any other chance to be, because there is no other missing thing we have in discuss, right? I'm just making sure that CSIR a key publish karna. Normally they will publish key after checking all possibilities so that there is no mistakes, but they have made mistakes. But this time 2-3 keys there is doubt. That is why we have to double check, triple check or 10 times check. That is good. So that is why, as I told, please mention whether you are clear about this explanation, why A is 15th from the top. Now bottom also we are going to discuss. Question is asking hair rank. Hair rank means A's rank. A is the girl. So hair rank means A's rank. A's rank in the entire class will be 15th from the top, because there are 9 girls and 5 boys before that girl. 9 girls and 5 boys, that is 14 people. 14 people before means there will be 15th position will be A. And after that, total 40 people are there na. 15th means after 15 to complete 40, 16 to 40. 16 to 40 means 40 minus 15. 25th. Okay, A's rank is posted na. 26th, sorry, 26, because 25 people should be after her. 25 people should be after her na. Why 25 people should be after her? Because between A and B there is no one else. Between A and B there is no one else, and there will be, after B there will be 15 boys, and after A there will be 9 girls. So 15 plus 9, 24, and 25th person is B. So definitely 25 people after A. So 25 from the bottom, if you read 25 people and then the 26th person. So 15th from the top, 26th from the bottom. So that should be option B in my opinion. Once again I am saying in my opinion, because I want you people to respond. Are you completely agreeing with this? If you are completely agreeing with this, you can challenge this key, because the official answer key is telling option A as you people mentioned. Are you completely convinced? Can you please mention in the chat? I know many of you are attending this as recording, so can you please mention in the comments whether you are completely convinced how option B is the correct answer? because today is the last date for challenging the key. That is why by today we need to get a clarity so that people will do the challenging. So that is why those who are live, please comment in the chat. Those who are watching this recorded, please comment in the comments what you think about this question. Are you completely clear about the explanation I have given, that 15th from the top and 26 from the bottom? Because that will give confidence for students to challenge the key if they are convinced that this key is totally correct. So, okay Suresh, that time difference question. Now, time difference question means, I think this is the question you are asking, all of you. I think this is a question that some of you mentioned 567 code. If actually I don't remember the code number of questions. Okay, Mintu. Yeah, challenging actually, as I am told, if there is few people challenge with clear explanation, CSIR will definitely clear the key, clear the means correct the answer key. So someone or the other should challenge, that is the thing. So if you are confident, challenge the answer key. Yeah, do you people know whether challenging the answer key, do they charge for that or is it free only? Anyone know? Okay Maya, this one now. All of you try this question. This also we need a discussion. This also there is an ambiguity. I agree. The key given, there is an ambiguity. All of you try. Okay, there is just 200 rupees per question. Okay, then I will not say that all of you should challenge. Make sure someone or the other challenge. That is what I will say. But I am almost sure previous question answer should be corrected. So this question also we will discuss. 2 digital clock shows. Yeah, this also, what is your opinion? You mention in the chat whether the key is correct, what you think about the question, mention it in the chat and comments. 2 digital clocks show times 9 hours 13 minutes and 9 hours 17 minutes respectively. So digital clocks where second hand or second is not shown at all, that is the meaning. 9 hour 13 minutes. So what is a second? We don't know from that. 9 hour 17 minutes. What is a second? We don't know. At one instant, that means at the same time they are showing 9, 13, 9, 17 respectively. Exactly 30 seconds later, a first clock is changing to 9:14 and second clock is not changing to any other time, it is 9:17 itself. उसका मतलब क्या है? ये फर्स्ट क्लॉक में टाइम इनिशियली 9:13 30 सेकेंड से भी ज्यादा था. 9:13 30 सेकेंड से भी ज्यादा था या 30 seconds था. Because understand the question carefully, exactly 30 seconds later they show 9:14. They show 9:14 means we don't know whether that 30th second they have changed the time or they are just meaning that after 30 seconds when you were checking, this is the time. Both way you can interpret actually, but both ways none of the options or option mentioned in the answer key is not matching at all. We will discuss. Yes Mintu, I will come to that. So anyway, we can say that 30 seconds later 9 hour 14 minute if it is showing, that means the time here was 30 seconds above. That is why it is changing to 9:14 na? So that it will be 9:14 above. Again, I am interpreting it like exactly 30 seconds later means 30 seconds later when you were checking. मतलब उसका मतलब ये नहीं है 29th second में क्या था, we know already or we were checking. 30 seconds later you checked. This time was showing 9:14 anyway. Okay, so this is the case, and this is showing 9:17 itself means this was a time before 30 seconds. That is the meaning, na? That is why this is not changing. For example, if it was 9:17, 29 the second, after 30 seconds it will be 59 only. That will not take it to 9:18. Are you understanding? 30 seconds से कम है तो 30 seconds add किया तो भी 9:17 ही होगा ना. Are you all understanding? So 9:17 something before 9:18. Which of the following options is a possible difference between the times maintained by the two clocks? Possible difference between the times maintained. Normally, difference between times maintained means difference between times. That we can be sure that it is more than 3 minutes, na? It is more than 3 minutes for sure. Sorry, more than more than 3 minutes for sure, because 9:14, this is something 9:17 above, 30 seconds above. So it is like 9:14, 9:17 itself 3 minutes. So 3 minutes 30 seconds. 3 minutes 30 seconds, but there is no such option. 3 minutes 30 seconds range का एक भी option नहीं है. I don't know, I think official key gave 30 seconds. How it is 30 seconds? Or maybe what they meant the question is, what is the difference between seconds? Then 30 seconds is a possible difference. But that is not mentioned in the question. Original question paper I have seen, that is not mentioned in the question. Are you all agreeing with this? So in my opinion, all these 4 options are not matching with the question. Again, we can discuss. You people please mention, as this is the last day for key challenging, answer key challenging. You can discuss in the chat or discuss in the comments what you think about this. Exactly, Mintu. 3 minutes se zyada, but there is no such option at all, na? No such option, so I don't know. I think maybe the thing is, what they meant is possible difference in seconds hand. In seconds hand. In seconds hand means 30 seconds is justified. But question didn't mention that. We cannot just assume so, na? So in that case, this question should be cancelled. I mean, no option correct means question will be cancelled, so that a person who clicked an option should not get a negative mark, na? So yes, Mintu. Okay, anyway, are you all convinced? If you are convinced, whoever is benefiting by the question, I mean you have tried and got a wrong answer, means you should challenge the question. Once again I'm telling, think this as an opportunity to mention what you felt about the question, what is your perspective. So mention in the chat or comments. हाँ, mathematical science paper में minimum 3 questions में answer key doubtful है. That is why I want your response also, what you think ये question में भी problem है. So one more question, any other question that you felt there is problem? One more question I felt problem is that ATM pin question. ATM pin question may be problem. Anyone have doubt on it? If you don't have doubt on it, we will take that to the end. But if you have doubt on that ATM pin question, we will discuss that now. I'm taking the session 8 o'clock itself in the morning, because those people who want to challenge, let them get enough material to challenge the answer key. Normally, Pooja, you need to give explanation only. Reference in the sense, reference from book and all is not necessary. You just need to give your explanation. You should explain properly why the other option is justifiable. Like that is what I told, that for ranking question, you can show that 5 girls, what I told you now as the explanation, write it in a written format and challenge it. That is the thing. Reference normally for aptitude, reference is not for, for your subject part, reference is needed, standard textbook reference, but aptitude is like random questions, na? उसके लिए रेफरेंस देना इज नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एक्सप्लेनेशन देना जरूरी है. इन माई एक्सपीरियंस दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव सीन अर्लियर स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव reference means Pooja, that is what I told. For reference we need to explain only your perspective about that question, explain it. That itself CSIR will consider for aptitude. Okay Anubhuti, no problem, no problem. Okay, this question this question also the answer key given as option B, right? Yes Mintu, that is why many people were so concerned last 2 days. That is why I thought like today even my other classes also I have rescheduled for clarifying the doubts of students. Otherwise I could have taken this paper analysis after 1 week slowly, but immediately I am starting because I want you people to get a clarity on the options, so that in case you want to challenge you can do that. So try this, mention your opinion about this question. ये question actually after the exam also I have given the explanation already. Memory based wording students send किया था ये question, वो question का explanation मैं वहाँ दिया था, and original question is also not different from that question, but I agree that they could have added digits means 0 to 9 itself they are meaning, but if nothing mentioned, digits means 0 to 9 obviously. Decimal digits itself. So decimal digits we can use any of them. Then okay, all of you try it. Mention your answers. After that I will explain. All of you take it as a practice session also. Non-math students also practice these questions. Any other question you have doubt on? Answer question code please don't send, because I don't have the question paper right in front of me. So you mention the some keywords at least from the question, so that it is easy for me to find which question you are asking. Okay, so I'll start explaining. The number of 3-digit pins in which third digit is sum of the first 2 digits. Yeah, the official answer key is saying B, right? 9 is the given option, right? Please correct me if I am wrong. Is 9 the given answer in official answer key? The number of 3-digit pins in which third digit is a sum of first 2 digits. Matlab, pin means it can be, you can think about ATM pins. ATM pins normally is 4-digit pins, but this is 3-digit pin. So you can think about the pin of your suitcase. Yeah, nowadays suitcase we don't use much, but you can think about old suitcases had a passcode system where you need to enter. Yeah, there, those who are familiar with that, you will get more clarity. 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 ये सब पॉसिबल था ना, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक कंडीशन है, फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स का सम होना चाहिए थर्ड डिजिट. तो ये क्वेश्चन 2 तरीके से एनालाइज कर सकता है, 2 तरीके से एनालाइज कर सकता है. लास्ट डिजिट 0 मिलने वाला पॉसिबिलिटी, लास्ट डिजिट से शुरू किया तो इजी होगा सॉल्यूशन. इजी मींस फास्टर होगा, but I don't know whether everyone is getting this or not. So I will show you 2 solutions so that you are completely clear about the idea. So these are the 10 possibilities for the last digit, na? 10 possibilities for the last digit, that is sum of first 2 digits. अभी बताओ ये 0 मिलने के लिए फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट क्या होना चाहिए? 0 और 0 ही होना चाहिए ना, because 0 plus 0 is the only possibility. 0 plus 0 is the only possibility. So there is only one possibility for 0 as the last digit. अभी 1 as the last digit, 0 1 एक possibility है, 1 0 भी एक possibility है ना. 0 1 1 0 दोनों पॉसिबल है ना? Are you all agreeing that? So 2 possibility 0 1 0 1 0 0 ये दो सॉरी 0 1 1 1 0 1 ये दोनों वैलिड है ना? दोनों डिफरेंट पिन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका मोबाइल में मोबाइल पिन भी 4 डिजिट है बट 3 डिजिट पिन एंटर करना है. यू हैव सेट 0 1 1 and later when you want to open your phone you are entering 101. Will it allow? No, it won't allow. Means they are different pins, they are different 3 digit pins and ये condition भी satisfy कर रहा है ना? Sum of first 2 digits 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. So definitely there are 2 possibilities for that. And what about 2? Sum 2 मिलने के लिए 0 plus 2 possible है, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 1 possible है, 2 plus 0 भी possible है. 3 possibility. Now you can connect this to the factor idea. Factor idea से ये क्वेश्चन इजली कर सकता है. 3 है तो प्राइम नंबर है तो 0 3 sorry 0 3 3 0. Yeah, this is prime number concept. Here we cannot use. There was a question in physical science paper which is product asked. So 1 2 2 1. Are you agreeing? 1 2 2 1. That means 4. That means what you are going to see is 0 have 1 possibility, 1 have 2 possibility, 2 have 3 possibility, 3 have 4 possibility, 4 have 5 possibility, 0 4 4 0, 1 3 3 1, 2 2 5 possibility. Can you see that, all of you? Similarly 5 have 1 5 5 1, 2 5 2 5 have 1 4 0 5 5 0, 1 4 4 1, 3 2 2 3 and 3 2 2 3, that is 6 possibility, and 6 have 7 possibility, 7 have 8 possibility, 8 have 9 possibility, 9 have 10 possibility. Total possibilities will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. That is sum of first 10 natural numbers, that is 10 into 11 by 2, 55 possibility. 55 should be the correct answer. So option is giving 9. I don't think, whichever way you think, 9 is not possible. Yeah, you can give one easy way to disprove 9 is wrong. You can give 1 2, if you count 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 itself, that is 10 possibility na? You can list out that ATM pins. If you want, I will list it out for you. Why 9 is wrong? 0 0 0 is a valid possibility. 1 0 0 is a valid possibility. 0 1 0 is 0 1 1 is a 1 0 1 is a valid possibility. 2 0 2 is a possibility. 2 1 1 2 is a possibility. 0 2 2 is a possibility. 3 0 3 is a possibility. 0 3 3 is a possibility. 2 1 3 is a possibility. 1 2 3 is a possibility. Similarly, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Already 10 cross now. Are you agreeing why 9 cannot be the answer? Because already we are getting 10, and if you list it out, you will get all the 55. This is one way to explain. If this explanation is difficult to write as an explanation, then I will give you one more explanation for those people who want to challenge. If you need one more explanation or one more perspective, I will give you. Second perspective is first 2 digits xy na, uska sum hona chahiye x plus y. The first approach was x plus y का possibility search कर रहा था. Second approach है x and y का possibility search करो. First 2 digits क्या क्या हो सकता है? ऐसा 100 possibilities initially है ना, 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 up to 9 9. ऐसा 100 possibilities. ये 100 possibility में से कितना possibility x plus y को satisfy कर रहा है? x plus y sum of digits x and y होना चाहिए, लेकिन x plus y 1 digit होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि ATM थर्ड पोजीशन में सिर्फ एक डिजिट एंटर कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 9 and 9 एंटर किया तो 18 मिलेगा, लेकिन 18 एंटर किया तो वो 4 डिजिट नंबर हो गया, 4 डिजिट पिन हो गया. दैट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. सो x प्लस वाई शुड बी अ 1 डिजिट नंबर. उसके लिए कितना पॉसिबिलिटी है? फर्स्ट रो में देखो 0 x 0 वाला पॉसिबिलिटी चेक करो. x 0 वाला पॉसिबिलिटी ऑल 10 आर ओके ना, all 10 are okay, because 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, up to 0 plus 9 9. 0 9 9 also is a valid pin. It's a valid pin. So second row 10 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 1 7 1 8 1 9. 19 में प्रॉब्लम है, 19 ऐड किया तो 10 मिलेगा. 10 इज नॉट अ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर, इसलिए ये पॉसिबिलिटी डिलीट कर सकता है. तो फर्स्ट रो में 10 पॉसिबिलिटी, सेकंड रो में 9 पॉसिबिलिटी, थर्ड रो में 2 plus 8 2 plus 9 अलाउड नहीं है, बिकॉज वो दोनों ऐड किया तो 10 या 10 से अबव है, 1 डिजिट नहीं है. सो 8 पॉसिबिलिटी, ऑल द रेस्ट आर ओके. 3 plus 9 3 plus 8 3 plus 7 is not okay, so 7 possibility. Here 6 possibility, here 5 possibility, here 4 possibility, here 3 possibility, here 2 possibility, here 1 possibility. That means 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10 na? That is 55 itself. 1 plus 2 up to 10 is sum of first 10 natural number, 10 into 11 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2, 55. This is a second approach. लेकिन एग्जाम में ये अप्रोच टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा. क्यों? बिकॉज यू हैव टू लिस्ट इट आउट, और यू हैव टू थिंक इन योर माइंड. इफ दैट इज ओके, यू कैन डू दैट वे. आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग? Kafir, no, I cannot challenge the question. A person who have attempted the exam only can challenge the question. I am giving the solution now, so write down that solution and make a challenge, or do one thing. If you want, you can make a solution and post it in the Telegram group. If I get time, I will check it. Why I am saying if I get time, because today itself I have 3 more classes after this. Paper analysis of all subjects, or not only mathematical science. I need to clarify the doubts of physical science, chemical science and life science. The total 5 papers I need to discuss. इसलिए time कम है. I don't know why they have given a very short window for correcting. Today 11:50, October 3rd 11:50, the time is over. So by that time you need to challenge. That is why I have rescheduled all my other classes and took this class, so that you people get a clarity. Weekend they have published the key, and in 2 days we need to give the correction. That was a challenge for me also. So please write down your explanation, and if time allows, I will check that explanation. Otherwise, what I have explained now, you are clear now. You can ask your doubts in the chat. What else you have doubt, I will clarify that. Now, which other question you have doubt on, that we will take first. Which other question you have doubt? Again I am asking, ये completely clear है ना, क्यों 9 आंसर नहीं हो सकता? 9 आंसर होने के लिए और कोई स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन में और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा था तो 9 होने का चांसेस है. लाइक एक डिजिट यूज किया तो वो अगेन रिपीट नहीं कर सकता, ऐसा कुछ है तो देन ऑल्सो 9 विल नॉट बी पॉसिबल. बट what I have seen original question paper, this is what the wordings of the question. By that case 9, I don't think there is any way to get 9. If you have any other way that you felt 9 is possible, mention it. We will discuss it. So then which other question? Yeah, this was a question that some of you mentioned in the chat. Is this the question, magazine question? Shaista, this question na, circle wala, which was it Mintu? Let me check. Circle wala 2 questions tha na. That speed ka question hai ya Mintu, on a track 200 length, that question you're asking? English magazine question, this is na. So all of you try it. After that I will explain. Okay, this question I hope all of you tried. What is the answer given in the key? Of all the English magazines published in a country, magazine M is read by the highest number of readers. It necessarily follows that. If it necessarily follows that means if all the English magazine published in the country, magazine M is read by the highest number of readers, then which among the following we can be sure about? Which among the following we can be sure about? So M is the most popular English magazine published in the country. Of all English magazines published in the country, magazine M is read by the highest number of readers. Then M is the most popular English magazine published in the country is correct, na? Which is the answer key given? Is it the key given? In my opinion, option A itself is correct. It is followed. Let us check other options. Let's see whether we can eliminate. M is the most popular English magazine in the country. M is the most popular English magazine in the country. No. English magazine in the country. Why option B is not correct? Because a magazine published in another country can be popular. Question only considering the magazines published in the country. The most popular English magazine, we cannot confirm it because a magazine published in another country and that is popular in this country, there may or may not be, na? Without knowing about them, we cannot say anything about that. M is the most popular magazine in the country. That also we don't know because there may be another magazine, a Hindi magazine, which is more popular than this English magazine. So most popular magazine means among all magazines of all languages. Although we cannot derive it. The study has not considered the readership of English magazines published outside the country. Study has not considered it. That is true. But that is not something that we need to derive from it, na? हमें इंग्लिश मैगजीन्स पब्लिश्ड इन द कंट्री में एम इज रेड बाय हाईएस्ट नंबर, उसमें से पॉपुलैरिटी में एम ज्यादा पॉपुलर है. दैट इज व्हाट वी कैन से. वेदर कंसिडर्ड रीडरशिप ऑफ इंग्लिश मैगजीन्स आउटसाइड द कंट्री और नॉट, दैट इज नॉट समथिंग वी नीड टू डिराइव, ना. हाँ, ऑप्शन डी तो सही है, सेंटेंस तो सही है. Study has not considered because of all the English magazines published in a country it is mentioned. Again, no, option D will not be answer anyway because we don't know whether the study have considered or not. After considering the study, maybe they are telling that English magazines published in a country. So that is why I don't think option D also is possible. The better option is option A itself. So I hope it is clear to all of you. All of you mentioned magazine question में doubt clear है या नहीं. In my opinion, option A is valid. What was the key in official answer key? What is? Let me check. What is the key? I have marked it in the question paper. Just a minute. Yeah, official key is also option A, right? So option A, I don't think there is a possibility to challenge. If you people have any other ideas by which you have doubt on it, please mention it. Please mention it. We will discuss. Again, I will not say that everything I tell is 100% foolproof. I always think you can always argue, challenge, so that there is a discussion and we get clarity out of it. So in my opinion, option A should be correct. Okay, so all of you agree with that, now? Okay, then let's move on to the next doubt. Which one you have doubt? Any other question? Okay, that log one actually takes some time to explain. If time allows, I will come back to that. Is there a doubt in the key? Okay, I'll do one thing. I will just quickly discuss the other pending questions very fast. Pending questions very fast I will complete. 90 people are seated randomly in 15 rows of 6 seats each. All of you try it. All of you try it. Very simple question actually. Probability and seating arrangement दोनों है, लेकिन ये logically think किया तो बहुत ही silly question है. Very fast you will get. Probability that a person gets a seat at either end of the row, either here or here. That is the either end of the row ना. 6 seat में से ये 2 seats okay है. So 2 out of 6 is the probability ना. Probability is required outcome by total outcome. टोटल 6 सीट्स है, उसमें से ये सीट ओके है, ये सीट ओके है, या ये सीट में आने का चांस प्लस दिस सीट में आने का चांस. एडिशन रूल है. व्हाई एडिशन रूल? बिकॉज सिटिंग हियर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी, सिटिंग हियर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. यहाँ पे बैठने का चांस 1 आउट ऑफ 6 सीट्स है, यहाँ पे बैठने का चांस 1 आउट ऑफ 6 है. 1 आउट ऑफ 6 प्लस 1 आउट ऑफ 6, 2 आउट ऑफ 6. Actually what I am saying is this 90 people, if you don't consider also, it is not making a mistake because every time this is repeated. 15 rows है, I agreed. 15 rows of 6 seats. But हर row में 2 by 6 itself is chance. So the total chance is also 2 by 6 itself. 15 by 15 times 2 by 6. 15 by 15 times 2 by 6, 2 by 6 now. So what I am saying is the smarter way is only consider a random row. Random row में chance 2 by 6 है. बाकी सब similar rows में भी chance 2 by 6 है. 15 by 15 times or 1 times 2 by 6, 2 by 6 itself is the answer. I hope all of you clear about this. 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the correct answer. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this one, did anyone have doubt about this question? Very fast, try it. Speed, distance, time problem. Yes, Mindu, you can do 30 by 90 also. That is also totally correct. 90 में से 30 seats n में है, so 30 out of 90 वो भी सही है. But to save little more time, you can directly find 2 out of 6. Any answers for this? Okay, so I'll explain. On a track 200 meter length, so if there's a circle, okay, I'll draw a rough circle for the time being. If it's a circular track like this, 200 meters the length, S runs on the starting point. It is not mentioned circular track, so you can take any track. So linear track will be easy to analyze. So if it's a linear track, 200 meters the total length. S runs on the starting point and R start 20 meters ahead of S at the same time. Both reach the end of the track at the same time. So S runs at a uniform speed of 10 meters per second. 200 meter 10 meter per second speed में मतलब time taken is 200 by 10 20 seconds. तो S को 20 seconds लगेगा ये 200 meter travel करने के लिए. लेकिन R ने 20 meter बाद from here it started, that means 180 meter. 180 meter travel करने के लिए R को same 20 seconds लगेगा ना, because R also run at uniform speed. Sorry, both reach the end of the track at the same time. So 180 meter travel करने के लिए ये 20 seconds लगेगा. So definitely R का speed क्या है? R का speed distance 180 by 20 है. You don't have to write these steps, you just have to think in your mind. 20 seconds में 180 meter. So 10 seconds में 90 meter. 1 second में 9 meter. So 9 meter per second is the speed of R. Okay, now what is the question? How much more time would R take to run the entire course? How much more time? That means already 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Now question is only asking वो extra 20 मीटर है ना, ये 20 मीटर कवर करने के लिए R को कितना टाइम लगेगा? 20 मीटर कवर करना है 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्पीड में. So time is equal to distance by speed. 20 by 9 is the answer. 20 by 9. Are you all understanding? Question is only asking how much more time. Already 20 seconds taken. Don't worry about that. Extra time कितना है? So that is 20 by 9. Mental math clear है तो I have taught you. 1 by 9 is 11.11 percentage. 2 by 9 is 22.22 percentage. 2 by 9 is 22.22 percentage means 20 by 9 is 222.22 percentage. That is percentage means out of 100 2.22. Otherwise do your paper math or whatever math you want, you do it, you will get 2.22 seconds. So 2.2 seconds is the answer. I hope all of you understood it. Very simple question only. And this was also a very silly question, so straightforward. This time all papers, all subject paper, too many straightforward questions were there, which was very easy to solve. Yeah, you should carefully read what is mentioned in the question, then it is so silly. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. What is the ratio of area of track A? Track A means this area, this gray region area. That area will be this circle minus this circle, na? Area of a ring. Outer circle minus inner circle area. So, outer circle area will be pi 30 square. Why 30 square? R is given as 30. So pi 30 square minus pi 28 square. Why? Because the width is 2 meter. ये width 2 meter का है, ये width 2 meter का है. तो ये पूरा 30 है तो 30 minus 2, 28 will be this width. So ये दोनों में pi common है. So pi into 30 square minus 28 square will be the area of this outer ring. ये green blue region उतना होगा. And this one, this green region now we need to find, that will be pi into R by 2. R by 2 means 15. 30 by 2 minus pi 15 minus 2, 13 square. So pi into 15 square minus 13 square. Question is asking the ratio of these two. ये दोनों का ratio पूछा है. Track A to track B. Track A area ये है, track B area है, ये है. इसका ratio क्या होगा? पाई पाई तो कैंसिल हो गया. इधर मेंटल मैथ से ये सबट्रैक्ट करके फाइंड करो. नहीं है तो मेंटल मैथ उतना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है तो a माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर है. सो a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी करो. a माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी करो. डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो 15 माइनस 13 इंटू 15 प्लस 13. 2 into 58 divided by 2 into 28. 2 cancels. 58 by 28, cancelling the common 2. 29 by 14. Option C is the correct answer. We'll go to the next question. This one also try it. It's a very good question. Statement related question. Mintu is asking. Yes, Mintu. That is also a possibility. If you are patient enough to list out all the possibilities, that is a valid explanation, because that will give a clear idea that it won't be 9 anyway. So normally when I teach in the class, listing out all possibilities is not the right way to teach, but for challenging the question, showing all the possibility for the pin is totally a good way. 9Q answer nahi hai, that is what we need to show, and 55Q answer hai, that is what we need to show. Both the things you are able to establish by what you told, so you can proceed with that. Okay, a question explain kar raha hu. Consider the following 4 statements. Statement 1, statement 3 is true. Statement 2, statement 1 is true. Statement 3, statement 1 is true, and statement 2 is false. Statement 4, statement 1, 2 and 3 are false. With the above statement, which of the above statements must be true for the 4 statements to be mutually consistent? Mutually consistent means they should not create a paradox. That is the meaning of mutually consistent. Let's see. पैराडॉक्स क्रिएट कर रहा है नहीं. ऑप्शन बाय ऑप्शन. स्टेटमेंट 1 आंसर हो सकता है या नहीं. स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू है तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है? यह स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होना चाहिए. स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू है तो वी आर अस्यूमिंग स्टेटमेंट 1 इज ट्रू. देन स्टेटमेंट 3 ऑल्सो शुड बी ट्रू अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट इज टोल्ड बाय स्टेटमेंट 1. स्टेटमेंट 3 भी ट्रू होना चाहिए. स्टेटमेंट 3 क्या बोल रहा है? स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू होना चाहिए, वो तो करेक्ट है. स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स भी होना चाहिए. स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स भी होना चाहिए. अभी ये देखो, स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स मतलब स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू, ये स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स होना चाहिए. दैट इज गिविंग अ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन दैट स्टेटमेंट 1 शुड बी फॉल्स ऑल्सो. ट्रू एंड फॉल्स एट द सेम टाइम. एक स्टेटमेंट ट्रू एंड फॉल्स एट द सेम टाइम नहीं हो सकता. दैट इज अ पैराडॉक्स और दैट इज एन इनवैलिड स्टेटमेंट. इट इज लॉजिकली इनवैलिड. इसलिए वो म्यूचुअली कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है, पैराडॉक्सिकल है. पैराडॉक्सिकल है तो ऑप्शन ए गलत है ना. स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू होना तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. सेम वे यू नीड टू एनालाइज अदर ऑप्शंस. सेम वे यू नीड टू एनालाइज अदर ऑप्शन. स्टेटमेंट 2 ट्रू है तो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज ट्रू, वो भी ट्रू है. स्टेटमेंट 2 ट्रू है तो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज ट्रू. मतलब स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू होना चाहिए. स्टेटमेंट 1 बता रहा है कि स्टेटमेंट 3 ट्रू होना चाहिए, सो स्टेटमेंट 3 भी ट्रू होना चाहिए. लेकिन ये देखो, स्टेटमेंट 3 बता रहा है कि स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू लेकिन स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स. स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स मतलब स्टेटमेंट 2 ट्रूथ एंड फॉल्स एट द सेम टाइम होगा. दैट इज अगेन पैराडॉक्सिकल. दैट इज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट, म्यूचुअली कंसिस्टेंट नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन बी गलत है. सिमिलरली ऑप्शन सी, स्टेटमेंट 3 ट्रू है तो स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू, स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स, दोनों सही होना चाहिए. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू होगा, स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स होगा एंड वी अस्यूम स्टेटमेंट 3 इज ट्रू. अभी ये देखो, स्टेटमेंट 1 ट्रू एंड स्टेटमेंट 2 फॉल्स, ये दोनों ट्रू होना चाहिए. मतलब statement 1 is saying statement 3 is true, that is okay, but statement 2 is saying statement 1 is true. That should be false now. That should be false means statement 1 is true is false means statement 1 is false. Same problem we had when we analyzed first option. Statement 1 is inconsistent. So option C भी गलत है. A B C गलत है तो option D आंसर होना ही चाहिए. हाँ, statement 4 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 1 2 3 are false. हाँ, 1 2 3 आर फॉल्स मीन्स स्टेटमेंट 1 भी फॉल्स हो गया, ये भी फॉल्स हो गया, ये भी फॉल्स हो गया. फॉल्स होगा तो स्टेटमेंट 3 ट्रू गलत है. सो ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं है. ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं होने का चांस ये है. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज ट्रू, फॉल्स हो सकता है. स्टेटमेंट 2 इज फॉल्स, सही हो सकता है. एंड इज मेंशन मीन्स ये दोनों ट्रू होना चाहिए या ट्रू होने के लिए. एक भी स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स हो गया तो वो फॉल्स है. सो डेफिनेटली स्टेटमेंट 4 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू कैन एनालाइज मोर डीपर टू गेट मोर क्लैरिटी. ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ टाइम आई एम स्टॉपिंग इट देयर. एलिमिनेटिंग 3 ऑप्शंस itself we can confirm statement 4. And this question, very simple question. Two questions like this, mixtures and allegation का 2 question. This question is there in the book as a practice question in the book I have written. I hope you are familiar with the book I have written. This is the latest edition of the book I have written. So in this book, the same question is there. Instead of 5 kg, I think what I have written was 20 kg. Same question, 5 kg का जगह 20 kg था. बाकी सब same था. Because this is a common type of question. So repeat. Anubhuti, we will skip to the next question. We have to complete 3-4 more questions. So further doubts we will take it on another class. So now, as I told, the first thing is I wanted to clarify those doubts that you want to challenge the answer key of. That one, if there is any more doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, if time allows, I will come back to other doubts. Okay, so 5 kg watermelon. So total watermelon is 5 kg. 5 kg को मैं 5000 ग्राम लिख रहा है. In gram I am writing for convenience. उसमें 2 चीज़ें हैं, वाटर है और ये ड्राई वेट है. ड्राई वेट मीन्स the pure watermelon, non-water matter or solid matter, whatever you call. Dry weight और water दोनों मिला के 5000 ग्राम या 5 kg होगा ना. कितना वाटर है? 99% वाटर. मतलब ये 5000 kg का 5000 ग्राम का 99 kg, 5000 ग्राम का 100 kg 5000 है, सो 99 kg 5000 माइनस 50 4950 होगा. मेंटल मैथ यूज किया तो बहुत फास्ट कर सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू प्लीज फोकस ऑन स्पीड मैट्रिक्स एंड वैदिक मैथ्स. There are detailed lectures of mine in this YouTube channel, and if you people are interested, I am planning to give a full length Vedic math course for free in this channel. But please subscribe this channel and spread this channel to maximum people. If the subscribers and if more people are coming to this channel, there will be full length free courses for Vedic maths also, starting like in 2-3 months, because currently the GATE free course is currently running. That also you can enroll. Description of this video you can get the link of that, and do share it to maximum people. And those who are watching this video, do subscribe this channel. That will help this channel to reach to more people. That will help me to give more free content through this platform itself rather than any other platform. I'm trying to concentrate more free classes through this platform as much as possible. So if you people give more support, there will be more free initiatives through this channel itself. Okay, coming back to, so water 99% of 5000 है, 99% of 5000 फाइन किया तो 4950 मिलेगा. मतलब उसका रिमाइनिंग 50 ग्राम ड्राई वेट है, 50 ग्राम ड्राई वेट है. ऐसा है तो अभी सेकेंड सिचुएशन ये है, सम ऑफ द वाटर इवापोरेट्स एंड द वाटरमेलन नाउ कंटेन्स 98% वाटर. 98% वाटर मीन्स टोटल वेट का 98% है, इनिशियल वेट का नहीं. दैट इज अ कॉमन मिस्टेक मेनी पीपल मेक. इनिशियल वेट का 98% कंसिडर करेगा. नो, नाउ वाटर हैव evaporated means total weight also got reduced. Now not only water went away, the total weight will be affected. What is the weight of watermelon now? So let x be the required unknown. Let x be the weight of watermelon now. So let x gram be the weight of watermelon now. उसका 98% water है. Now listen, उसका 98% कितना है हमें पता नहीं है क्योंकि ये वाटर कम हो गया. लेकिन हमें एक चीज पता है, ये 50 ग्राम तो 50 ग्राम ही रह रहा है ना. The dry weight is not decreasing or increasing. The water is evaporating. The solid matter is still there. 50 gram is remaining 50 gram. Yeah, 98% of this excess water. So remaining 2% should be dry weight. Na? And that equation is enough to finish this question. 2% of x is 50. Then what is x? Either you do 2/100 x equal to 50 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके फाइन करो, नहीं है तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू स्पीड मैथ ट्रिक यूज करो, लॉजिकली थिंक करो. एक चीज का 2% 50 है तो उसका 1% 50 का आधा 25 है ना. 1% 25 है तो 100% 25 का 100 गुना है ना, क्योंकि 1% का 100 टाइम्स है 100%. सो 100 गुना मीन्स 2500 होगा. दैट इज हाउ टू स्मार्टली डू इट. अदरवाइज यू थिंक 2 का 50 गुना है, ये 50 का 50 गुना 2500 ग्राम, लेकिन आंसर किलोग्राम में है. सो 2.5 किलोग्राम, 2.5 किलोग्राम. सो ऑप्शन बी इज द आंसर. इज दैट क्लियर? Then try this question super fast. This was a repetition of a question already discussed in 2019. Yes, Ranjita, we already have discussed that question. Check the initial part of this video. None of the options are matching in my opinion. Okay, Mintu. All of you try this. Okay. Yes, Mintu, we have discussed that in the class. So I was also very happy to see that whatever we discussed in the class, most of them came in the exam. So just a minute, I will show a slide so that it is easy to explain. Okay, so this is the idea. We need to minimize the number of weighings, not weightings, weighings. Weighing means kitna bar weigh karna hai, kitna bar weigh karna hai. We have two-pan balance. Two-pan balance means like this. This is a two-pan balance. Like if both sides are equal in weight, it will balance. If one side is heavier, that side will go down, the other side will go up. You all know that, right? What is the two-pan balance and how it works? So हमें ये two-pan balance ही available है, लेकिन उसका weight कुछ पता नहीं है. We don't have weight also to try this. We only have a two-pan balance. ये dummy coin को identify करना है. 27 coins में 26 are identical. One dummy coin is little less weight. Have slightly less weight. Like all other 26 coins का weight 1 gram है, तो ये 27 coin का weight maybe 0.99 gram है. Very slight difference, for example. So that you cannot observe it and find it. Only using this two-pan balance you can find it. That is the idea. Only using this two-pan balance. That means, yeah, dummy coin identify करने के लिए minimum कितना बार weigh करना पड़ेगा? Minimum कितना बार ये two-pan balance को use करना पड़ेगा? That is the question. So the idea is ये 27 को some people do equally divide into half. Like 27 half नहीं कर सकता, so you may take 14 and 13 or 13. But that will increase the number of weighings. Minimum number of weighing के लिए 2 portion नहीं 3 equal portion divide करना है. That is the logic. Then how some of you may be thinking 3 portions means the third portion को कैसा use करेगा? Third portion को use नहीं करना है. Third portion let it be outside the pan balance. No problem at all. That is the importance. तो 9 coin ये साइड में रखो, 9 coin ये साइड में रखो. ऐसा है तो 2 realities possible है. ये 2 realities है. At a time one reality only will happen. Either they will balance like this. दोनों साइड equal होगा. उसका मतलब क्या है? वो तीसरा 9 coins है ना, वो two-pan balance के बाहर वाला 9 coins है ना, the 9 coins that is outside of the two-pan balance, that will have the lighter coin na. That is why this 9 and this 9 are equal, because it does not have a lighter coin in it. Only one lighter coin is there. That is the important thing. That is why they are balancing. That means we only want the remaining 9 coins. आइडिया ये है, ये 27 कोइन में से 26 कोइन को एलिमिनेट करके बचा हुआ कोइन को हम प्रोक्लेम करेगा ये है डमी कोइन. उसके लिए 26 कोइन को एलिमिनेट करना है. उसके लिए ये 18 कोइंस एलिमिनेट कर सकता है फर्स्ट वेइंग में. नाउ सम ऑफ यू मे बी आस्किंग व्हाट अबाउट दिस रियलिटी. ये रियलिटी में भी whichever 9 coins went up, that will have the lighter coin na, because the heavier part will go down. Lighter coin involved part is the lighter part, so that will go up. मतलब ये 9 coins भी हमें नहीं चाहिए which went down, क्योंकि हमें lighter coin चाहिए. और 9 coins which is outside the pan balance वो भी नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि ये 27 में से एक ही coin dummy है, एक ही coin lighter है. So definitely in that case also 9 coins only remain. ये दोनों में से एक ही case reality में एक ही case हो जाएगा ना. But both are possible, but only one at a time. So that means weighing 1 के बाद 27 coin eliminate करके 9 coins only are remaining. Are you getting? अभी weighing 2 के लिए क्या करना है? ये 9 coins को equally 3 divide कर सकता है. और 3 इसमें रखो. 2 reality possible है. दोनों reality में 3 coins ही बचेगा ना. Same logic. 2 set of 3 coins will delete. Without loss of generality, I am removing these 2 set, because balance कर रहा है या balance नहीं कर रहा है, दोनों केस में 3 coins only will remain. That means weighing 2 के बाद सिर्फ 3 coins बचा है. 27 became 9, 9 became 3. This is after weighing 1, this is after weighing 2. Now weighing 3. वो 3 coin को 1 divide करो. 1 यहाँ पे रखो. बैलेंस हो रहा तो थर्ड वन होगा आंसर, थर्ड वन होगा डमी कॉइन. बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा तो विच एवर वन वेंड अप that is the dummy coin. मतलब without loss of generality one coin only will be remaining ना. I can say without loss of generality this is that coin. मतलब third weighing में ये हो रहा है. Some of you may be asking why can't it be one weighing only? If you randomly weigh, if you are very lucky, you may get if you are very lucky, you don't have to weigh even once. You can randomly take a coin and say I am very lucky, this is the lighter coin, this is the dummy coin. That is not the point. But why? Question is asking ensure identifying. Ensure means worst case scenario में भी आंसर सही होना चाहिए. सारा reality में I always tell you should think like Doctor Strange in Marvel movies. All the parallel realities in the universe or multiverse, you have to think about all realities. सारा realities में आपका आंसर सही होना चाहिए. So lucky case नहीं, worst case scenario में भी आंसर सही होना चाहिए. That is the unluckiest person in the world. If he is doing the experiment also, he should get the lighter coin by the answer that you are giving. Such an answer you should give. That is what you need to be clear about in these questions, like certain about, ensure that, must be true. Again, these are things that you should be taking care for the upcoming exams also. If you are preparing for GATE 2023 exam, or in case you have planned to prepare for December CSIR exam, please take care of this. This video is actually a reference material for the further exams also. So please share this video to maximum people whoever want to learn general aptitude. Let more people watch this session so that there is more clarity. And this question, arithmetic mean wala question, all of you try it. Thank you so much for the good words, Mintu. So try this question super fast. Once again I'm asking, are you all clear about all the doubts that you had, that whether you should challenge the answer key or not? All such questions, doubts I have cleared already, right? That was the first objective of this session, being started as early as I could. Yesterday already 2 subjects I had to discuss. After that today I was starting at 8 o'clock or morning 8 itself, because you need to get clarity to challenge the question if you need to challenge. And do let me know what you felt about this session in the comment section. Those of you watching this as recordings, please comment. That will help more people to know about this session, and that will help me to know whether you got benefit from this session, whether you could learn more questions, learn more concepts also. Not same question, इसका similar question था अनुभूति, not same question. वो standard deviation का था. That is what I am saying. Life science और mathematical science और chemical science और physical science और earth science, सारा streams के लिए ये question बहुत ही useful है. Same type का question पूछता है. Difficulty थोड़ा more or less it will change. It is not like one subject always get easy questions only. Some subjects sometimes easy questions, sometimes difficult question. That all, any competitive exam is like that only, na? But the concept that you need to learn for every subject, aptitude section is same. Aptitude section is same for all subjects. Please keep that in mind. So arithmetic mean of 5 numbers is 0. Arithmetic mean, I hope all of you know, sum of observation divided by total number of observation. Those of you want this flashcard and other flashcards, check out my Telegram channel and Telegram group. In the media section you can find the link of it, and other resources in the mobile application also. You can see this Telegram, see this study materials. In the description you can get the link to access all those free materials. So anyway, arithmetic mean is sum of observation divided by number of observation. So arithmetic mean of 5 numbers, that is a plus b plus c plus d plus e. If a, b, c, d, e are the 5 numbers, a plus b plus c plus d plus e by 5 equal to 0. Then the numbers may not be distinct. Matlab numbers can be same also. Numbers can be same also. Which of the following must be true? Must be true as I told in previous question. Always true. Sara reality mein. All universes in the multiverses, your answer should be correct. So let's see. Product of the numbers is 0. Is it necessary? Is it necessary? Not necessary na. Yes, sum 0 होना काफी है. Denominator 5 है. 0 by 5 0 हो जाएगा. Sum 0 होने के लिए सारा number 0 होना जरूरी नहीं है. For example, I can take 1, 1, 1, 1 and minus 4. एक भी number 0 नहीं है. Product of the number 0 होने के लिए at least one number 0 होना चाहिए ना. So, product of the number 0 होना जरूरी नहीं है. 0 होने वाला केस में average 0 है, that is another thing. Sorry, 0 होने वाला केस में average 0 होने वाला 0 बना सकता है. Not always. But 0 होना anyway जरूरी नहीं है ना. That is a point. Product. So the counter example 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 4 is a counter example where the average is 0 but product of numbers is minus 4 only. Similarly, at most 2 of these numbers are positive. At most 2 means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 positive numbers होना चाहिए. Maximum 2. लेकिन ये counter example ही use करो. ये 4 positive numbers हो रहा है ना. Maximum 2 means 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन 2 से ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Same example enough to disprove option B. There cannot be exactly 1 0. So to counter it, you can say there can be exactly 1 0. Let's see. 0 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. इसका average 0 होगा ना. And there cannot be exactly 1 0 is wrong. There can be. Cannot be means 1 0 होने वाला possibility है. Sorry, 1 0 नहीं होने वाला possibility है. That is what I am saying. 1 0 नहीं होने वाला पॉसिबिलिटी है लेकिन 1 0 होने वाला पॉसिबिलिटी भी सही है. सो मस्ट बी ट्रू में ऑप्शन सी नहीं आ सकता. दैट इज अ पॉइंट. सिमिलरली देयर कैन नॉट बी एक्जैक्टली 1 नॉन जीरो नंबर. एक्जैक्टली 1 नॉन जीरो नंबर वो तो पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि एक्जैक्टली 1 नॉन जीरो नंबर मतलब सारा बाकी सारा नंबर 0 होना चाहिए. हियर x इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. x नॉट इक्वल टू 0 मींस x प्लस 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 plus 0 divided by 5 will be greater than or less than 0. It is not equal to 0 anyway. क्योंकि ये numerator non-zero value है, divided by 5 is non-zero value. लेकिन question is saying average should be 0. So option D is the correct answer. There cannot be. इसलिए वो सही है. All of you are clear how option C is the correct answer. So sorry, option D. Option D is the correct answer. And this question try it please. Venn diagram problem. सारा subjects में Venn diagram का question था. So happy to hear Mintu. Mintu is saying that my classes was enough to try all 20 questions also, but he got CSIR only allowed 15 questions. That is a wonderful compliment, Mintu. Thank you so much. So yeah, what I will suggest you is if you felt that my classes were useful, spread the word. Let more people know that these classes exist and let more people come to this platform also. Share this video to maximum people. Subscribe this channel and invite more and more people to be part of this channel, part of these free initiatives especially. Yeah, there are paid classes also. That is different thing. But what I am saying is, welcome more students to this free initiatives that you people can do so that more crowd will come to this and I will give more free initiatives like that. The next 6 months I am planning for free initiatives more if you people are interested. So show the interest through the comments, through the likes, through the subscriptions. So an appropriate diagram showing the relationship between the categories food, vegetables, roots and ice creams. So first we need to connect them. First we need to connect them. No ice creams, ice cream, vegetables, fruits, foods. ये 4 objects को कैसा connect कर सकता है? First of all, ice cream, vegetables, food, roots. We need to make all connections. Ice cream, vegetable, ice cream, food, ice cream, root, vegetable, food, vegetable, roots, food, root. All 6 connections. These are the 6 connections. No ice creams are vegetables. Now, ice creams and vegetables are not. They are disjoint set or distinct set. No ice creams are roots. Roots and ice creams are different things. But all ice creams are food. All vegetables are also food. Vegetables itself means eatables. It should be a food. Some roots are vegetables. All roots are not vegetables. Carrot is a vegetable, but some other root of other plant like root of coconut, that is not a vegetable. Some roots are food. All roots are not food. Some roots are food, some roots are not. Yeah, as I told, carrot is an example of a root which is a food. Coconut root is an example of a root which is not food. So according to this, which option is correct? So here, how to connect it? One easy way is आइसक्रीम और वेजिटेबल दोनों फूड का सबसेट है और आइसक्रीम और वेजिटेबल के बीच में एक इंटरसेक्शन नहीं होना चाहिए. सो टू सर्कल्स पार्ट ऑफ अनदर बिग सर्कल, बट दोज टू सर्कल शुड बी डिसजॉइंट. ऐसा एक ही ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन सी. सो इफ दिस इज से ice creams and this is say vegetables, then this can be roots, so that some roots or vegetables are satisfied, and this can be food. So option C is the correct answer. Very simple, na? Use options, that will save more time. Now this one and this one is pending. Okay, this is also pending. Yeah, all of you try this also very fast. Try this question super fast. Okay, so we'll discuss this. The wholesale price per unit of an item is C0 up to, a very similar question was there in chemical science paper also, but not same. One sentence they have tweaked and that changed the solution. The wholesale price per unit of an item is C0 up to first 19 units. So 19 units के लिए C0 है price. Unit price falls by 10% if 30 or more units are purchased. So 10% means, for example, I will take an example, C0 100 rupees है तो वो price 90 rupees होगा. 100 का 10% is 10 rupee ना. So falls by 10% means 100 minus 10, 90 rupee will be the price. If 30 or more units are, once again this is the same question na? Yes, okay. 90 rupees will be the price if it is 30 or more units purchased. One second. Okay, so here, yeah, this is a trick. So 97, if 120 units are bought, 120 units means, yeah, that was the difference between that chemical science question and mathematical science question. Chemical science question mein, that was a hypothetical situation. If first 19, below 19 is considered, then C0 will be the price. Then 20 to 29, then C0 ka 10% kam hoga. Again 30 or above, again 10% कम होगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. First 19 units के लिए it is fixed that C0 itself will be the price. That means 100 rupees we have taken as example. Then 20th to 120th, that is 101 units के लिए. Total 120 units खरीदा ना. So 20 units to 120 units या 101 units के लिए 90 rupees will be the price. 90 rupees will be the price. So total price per unit कितना होगा? That will be average concept, or you can use the alligation trick also. Alligation trick भी use कर सकता है. 19 into 100 plus 101 into 90 divided by total 120. That will be the per unit price. Now check it out what you are getting. 1900 plus 9000 plus 9090. 9090 divided by 120. या एलिगेशन ट्रिक यूज किया तो टाइम सेव हो जाएगा. दैट इज 10990 divided by 120. Are you all understanding what I am saying? So 1099 divided by 12 approximately. 1099 divided by 12. Please check it if it is completely clear this much. Just a minute. I think somewhere I have made a mistake. Let me check. Total price paid. Okay, total price paid is sorry, my mistake. I considered per unit price. We want only total price paid. Total price paid will be 1900 plus 101 into 90 only. That is I make a mistake. Just a minute. This question is same itself. Now please mention whether there is a difference in question. Those of you have the original question paper right in front of you now, please suggest it. Okay, we'll come back to this question, otherwise we'll waste time. We'll come back to this question after. Before that, we'll complete the rest of the question. Yeah, this is also pending. This question, all of you try. Chand have a doubt if we talk about only water. Okay. We talk only about water. 4950 gram water. 4950 का 98% क्यों चांद? हाँ, that is a mistake you are doing, Chand, because what you are comparing is different, na? Yeah, I understand. That is a normal mistake that students make. That is why exam में यह same question आया है, क्योंकि CSIR want to check whether you are making that mistake or not. I will explain that. ये question भी okay, Mintu, the original question there is something more to it, na? Okay, that is why we are not getting an answer. There is something more in it. Okay. Anyway, we will discuss this question. This question is very similar to that watermelon question itself. Those of you have doubt, listen. 360 milliliter aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means solution containing water. उसमें 40% alcohol है. So total mixture is actually water plus alcohol, ना? Water plus alcohol. Water कितना है, alcohol कितना है? Total 360 ml है. उसका 40% alcohol होगा. Mendel math use करो 10% 36, so 40% 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36. That is 36 का double, 72 का double, 144. So alcohol 144 होगा. Remaining will be water. Remaining will be water. That is 216 water. So this is the initial condition. 40% alcohol, 60% water. So we have listed it out. Draw the table, then you will get clarity in these questions. How much will be the approximate percentage of alcohol if 3600 milliliter of water is added? So 216 ka saath 3600 milliliter water is added. So that will become, yeah, whatever the water, that is not our question. Water 3600 add kiya to total में भी वो difference आ जाएगा ना 3600 का. Water or alcohol, whatever added, total also will be affected by that. That means total will be 3600 plus 360, 3960. Question is asking what percentage of alcohol is there in the total mixture. New solution, as I told, watermelon problem maybe, that was the idea. 144 out of 3960 into 100 is what you need to find. Alcohol content in the final mixture. So 144 out of final solution amount into 100. When you cancel it, you will get 3960 ka 3600 ka 10%. So it will be 3.6. Sorry, 3.6 you will get finally. You can check it out after cancelling. You will get 3.6. All of you are clear how 3.6 is the answer? Any doubt? Okay, Mindu, I will check. That previous question, there was a mistake in the typed version. Sorry for that. That is why we were confused. Now try this question. This is another pending question. All question we are trying to cover. Okay, it's already 9:55. I need to start a lecture at 11 o'clock. So we'll finish the session as soon as possible. Okay, Mindu, got it. The question you have sent. Okay, there is one sentence that was missed now. Sorry for that. That is why we didn't got the correct answer. That in that question of C0, one more sentence is there. That is why the answer was not matching with the answer key. So all of you complete this question. Okay, so I'll explain this. A battalion consists of elephants, horses and soldiers totaling to 3,400. So elephants, horses, soldiers together make 3,400. There are twice as many horses as elephants. So elephants number का double है. So elephants number x है तो ये 2x होगा. And 1/4 of the soldiers are riding these animals. 1/4 of the soldiers. So soldiers कितना है हमें पता नहीं है. So उसका 1/4 are riding these animals. If the standstill position, in the standstill position, number of feet on the ground is 7,500. So there you need to know that number of feet on the ground is the 3/4 of the soldier's feet. So if I call y as the soldier number, 3/4 of y, that soldier's feet will be on the ground, and the elephants and horses' feet also will be on the ground. Yeah, 1/4 of the soldiers, as they are riding the animals, their feet won't be on the ground. इसका पैर ground में नहीं होगा ना. They are on the animals. So 1/4. So 1/4 का बाकी 3/4 है ना. So soldiers का number में y assume कर रहा है. So 3/4 of y have 2 legs each. So 2 times 3/4 y is the legs contributed by or feet contributed by all the soldiers. Now I assume x elephants are there. X elephants means हर elephant का 4 legs, 2x horses. So 4 legs each. That means 2x plus 1x, 3x animals have 4 legs each. So 4 into 3x plus 2 times 3/4 y, that is equal to 7,500. One equation. And the first equation, total 3,500. Total will be 2x horses plus 1x elephants. So 3x will be the animals present, y will be the soldiers present. ये दोनों ऐड किया तो 3,500 मिलेगा. ये दो इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई किया तो आंसर भी मिलेगा. All of you clear ना? Simple only. So second equation को सिंप्लीफाई किया तो 12x plus 3/2y equal to 7,500. या डबल किया तो 24x plus 3y equal to 15,000. This, let it be the first equation and this be the second equation for convenience. Yeah, this I will multiply by 3. So that is 9x plus 9x plus 3y equal to 10,500. ये दोनों का डिफरेंस किया तो x का वैल्यू मिलेगा 15x equal to 4,500. x is equal to 4,500 by 15, that is 300. What is the what we need? Number of horses. Horses is 2x. X is 300. So 2x is 600. You can use options also. I did the direct method. Whichever way you want, you can do it. I hope it is clear. Yeah, this data interpretation question also, all of you try. Data interpretation question. Okay, so I'll explain. The graph shows number of employees, market share as percentage of number of units sold. So that means market share means units sold out of total units. That is what is mentioned. That means if this is 10%, means 10% of the total units of products, total units sold. Similarly, this is almost 15%. This is 25%. This is almost 15%. This is almost 35%. That means these four market shares added will be 100%. Select the correct statement. Select the correct statement. Let us check each options. A has the highest market share per employee. Highest market share per employee. Number of employees are denoted by this green bar. So market share per employee, one second. Market share per employee means market share divided by total employees, number of employees. That means market share by employees should be maximum. Among the options, market share by employees is maximum for A. Yes, that is totally correct, because the difference between this bar and this bar is minimum. That means numerator and denominator are almost same, almost very close. In all other case, denominator is so big, na? That is how to do it. Don't do it mathematically, just say. Or if you are not convinced, you have to take the help of math. 10 by 12 here, but here it is say 15 by or 14 by 30. 10 by 12, 14 by 30. This is say 25 by 35. 25 by 35, and this is say 35 by 44. 35 by 45. इसमें से 10 by 12 is the biggest value ना वो fraction में, because 10 by 12 almost 1 से closer है compared to all other values. So A has highest market share, we can say. So दो options eliminate हो गया. अभी भी दो options है. A has the highest market share per employee का दो options है. अभी second part check करो. Second part, highest sale for its market share. Sale is represented by this. That means this by this, 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 you need to compare. So there you can clearly see that B has that, na? B has the highest sale for market share, because this by this is almost 1, not 1, but it is more closer to 1 compared to any other fractions which is all away from 1 or below 1. More closer to 1 will be this. So definitely B is has the highest share for market share. If you want to prove it, you can take the values and divide and check, but that is time consuming. What CSIR expect is analyze the picture and answer. Okay, yeah, now I have corrected this question. This is the original question. There was a sentence missing. That is why. Yeah, this is same as that chemical science problem. Only the final question was different. All the data was same. Chemical science paper may be same question aaya tha. So I will repeat very fast. I will explain very fast. This sentence was missing in the typed version. Sorry for that. So 120 units were bought. That means 20 to 29 units are not purchased, 19 units are not purchased. So it is definitely 30 or more units purchased. Na 30 or more units purchased है तो C0 100 assume किया तो first 10% discount करके 90 rupees हो जाएगा. उसके बाद 30 और 30 units है तो again 10%, that is the extra sentence. Again 10% means 90 का 10% कम हो गया तो 81 rupees होगा. 81 rupee per product. But question is asking finally what? ये 81 per product into 120 will be how much times of C0? So 81 into 120 you need to calculate. That will be how many times? 97 option, each option C0 we have taken 100. So 9900 से close है या 9700 होगा या 9100 होगा या 8100 होगा. Check it out. 81 into 120 क्या है? Check it out and tell me whether it is closer to which option. 80 into 12 will be 960. 1 into 12 will be, yeah, it will be approximately. Question is telling approximately only. So 960, 972. 9720 this is. 9720, the closest it is to option B. So option B is the answer. Simple only. Due to that sentence missing, we were confused about it. I hope it is clear now. And thank you Mintu for that original question you have sent. So it should be option B. So I think we can stop the session here, because now I need to prepare for the 11 o'clock class and I need to give a rest to my throat. I think almost all questions I have answered. Yeah, just that logarithm question, that if I start it will take 15 minutes. because the concept also, and this general science question. This time general science only one question were there. As I have told earlier, don't worry too much about general science. So this was a general science question. Iska answer will be option C. Option C will be the correct answer. And one more question pending is this one. This is a, yeah, again logarithm based itself, graph analysis. This also I will arrange a session for these kinds of questions. These kinds of questions also very rarely are asked in CSIR, so don't worry too much about this. So that's it. Let's conclude today. I hope the session was useful. If so, let me know in the comments what you felt about the session, and all of you are welcome to be part of this learning community by being part of the Telegram channel, WhatsApp group, mobile application, website, the YouTube channel. So you can be part of all these resources. Check the description of this video to get more update, and the free GATE course you all are welcome to be part of, and invite all your friends. This is a common course for all these 29 streams, including the GATE engineering streams, because सारा streams के लिए aptitude section common है, whether it is pure science or whether it is engineering. So invite all your friends to attend this session, attend this free course. So that's it. I think we can conclude here. Thank you all for attending the session. Have a good day. See you all on the next class, and let me know what you felt about the session. And yeah, obviously you those people who want to be not part of the free initiatives, you want to be part of the paid initiatives, which are more systematic and more ordered. So that is also available, but that is in the Unacademy platform. So those of you want to take Unacademy plus subscription, there are 65 full-length courses I have given. I mean 65 courses I have given, systematic 65 courses for CSIR, for GATE, for DBT, for Vedic Maths, for set exam. All those courses you can access by a single subscription. These are the current courses. GATE और CSIR के लिए एक practice course चल रहा है 2 PM daily, and CSIR के लिए एक कंप्लीट कोर्स चल रहा है, न्यू बैच ऑफ कोर्स फॉर दिसंबर एग्जाम. दोनों कोर्सेज चल रहा है. ये दोनों कोर्सेज एक्सेस करने के लिए प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकता है. नॉट ओनली माई कोर्सेज, all your subject educators courses also you can access. So if you can afford plus subscription, you can be part of these courses. Otherwise, through free initiatives itself you can learn a lot. So search my YouTube itself. I have given more than 500 free classes. My channel, Unacademy channel, and other channels together, more than 500 full-length lectures I have given. And in my channel, question by question videos are also available, more than 400 of them. So make use of all these resources, and if you want further guidance, you can be part of my full-length courses and my GATE free course. All the resources, all the details are given in the description, and the tagged link will give you access to the GATE course playlist also. So if you felt this session is useful, do hit the like button. That will be a big help for this video to circulate to more and more people, because that is how YouTube algorithm works. If more interaction is there in a video, YouTube can understand that this is beneficial for students, so YouTube will recommend it to maximum people. So only if you felt this session is useful, recommend it to more people, and like the video. So thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.